Dear Prakash and Hema Ben, wish you a very happy marriage anniversary and wish your life continue to be filled with happiness, love and laughter. Thank you.
Hello, Mummy. Hi, Papa. Wish you a very happy anniversary. And let me tell you one thing, that both of you keep inspiring me in different moments, different aspects of life. And me and Shivu have been the luckiest to have the best parents ever. Wish you lots of love in the coming years, togetherness, amazing bonding. And yes, we both love you a lot. Love you. Bye.
Congratulations and celebrations on the occasion of your great wedding day. Congratulations and celebrations on the occasion of your great wedding day. May you celebrate many more anniversaries. May you celebrate many more anniversaries and have a golden jubilee.
Anniversary.
Happy anniversary, sir and ma'am.
Prakash sir, Hima madam, really very happy with your anniversary day. The bonding which I have been to you between you and Hima madam has been really superb. Your small talk to her makes her understand what you want, and her small a talk with you makes you understand. I could find this bonding between you, and I wish that is maintained. Very, very happy anniversary to you.
So blessed to have you guiding 2 generations, sir. Happy anniversary again.
Happy anniversary, sir and ma'am.
I feel lucky and glad to be part of your team. Happy anniversary to Hema ma'am and Prakash Vyas.
Some words just for you both. If someone asks me who are angels, how they look like, I will tell them they are just like you both. They are not in white clothes, but their existence gives peace. They are someone who don't have magical sticks, but magical things happen themselves when they are around. They are someone who don't chant mantras, but solutions of problems always comes from them. They are someone who don't harm anyone, but teach lessons of forgiveness. They are someone who never give answers, but answers of questions always bring to you. They are someone who never hold hand, but stand behind you to hold you in dark. They are someone who may not always stay with you, but always be there when you need them. They are someone who don't give you any weapon, but still teach to fight in worse time with hope and positivity. They are someone who never find fault in you, but always boost your confidence. They are someone who never be angry, but takes problems on themselves to teach you lessons of calmness. They are someone with whom never feel anything special, but heart remember them always first in struggle. They are someone who are not God, but show the way how to reach to the goal. They are someone who may not be happy, but always put efforts to bring smile on other face. If someone asks me who are angels, how they look like, I will tell them they are no one but our parents. They are no one but you both. I always bow down in front of you both. With this, happy anniversary and the year ahead. Thank you.
Colonel Vyas sir and ma'am wish you a very happy anniversary and wishing you years of togetherness. Sir, you are like a guiding beacon for all of us, and I am so glad that we met. Thank you so much.
Happy anniversary, Madam and Sir. Today marks one small milestone in the beautiful journey that is your life. May you continue to be blessed and follow your goals and ambition to success with your health in the forefront always. Happy marriage anniversary. May you both prosper day in and day out.
Sir and ma'am, today I have made a story for you both.
Once upon a time there lived two angels. They lived on earth to help needy. God always listened to their prayers. Both angels' names are Pipi Vyas and Hema Vyas. They helped most of the people. Then they met my family. We also shared our sadness and happiness with them. And they also shared their happiness and sadness with us. And they also helped us in our difficult times. And our bond became very strong. I love them very much. Happy anniversary, both angels.
Namaste, sir and ma'am. A very happy marriage anniversary to both of you. We are very lucky to have a persons like you in our life.
Happy marriage anniversary, sir and ma'am.
Jai Hind.
जय हिंद सर, जय हिंद मैम। शादी की सालगिरह की ढेरों बधाई। प्रेम और विश्वास की है ये कमाई। भगवान करे आप दोनों सदा खुश रहें। आदर, सम्मान, प्रेम, प्रतिष्ठा जीवन में बहे। हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी। ईश्वर करे ऐसे ही आती रहे आपकी वर्षगांठ। आपका रिश्ता प्यार का छुए नया आकाश। ऐसे महके जीवन का हर एक पल, जैसे हर दिन हो त्योहार। सालगिरह मुबारक। महक उठे जीवन उपवन। हर पल प्रेम करे अभिनंदन। वैवाहिक वर्षगांठ पर दुआ हमारी कि मुस्कुराओ आप प्रतिक्षण। दो दिलों का प्यार चढ़े परवान। जब भी हो बेस्ट कपल की बात, आप दोनों का आए नाम। शादी की सालगिरह की ढेरों बधाई। जीवन में बरसे उल्लास, बढ़ता जाए एक दूजे पर विश्वास। प्रेम चढ़े ऐसा परवान कि हर पल बने प्रेम रास। शादी की सालगिरह की ढेरों बधाई, शुभकामनाएं, अभिनंदन, नमस्कार।
Happy marriage anniversary to both Vyas sir and Hema ma'am. May you live your life happily and fulfill all your wishes.
Hello sir and ma'am. Your anniversary is the time for sharing your affection. It's obvious the two of you have quite a connection. I send glad congratulations and my heartfelt wishes too for joy, happiness and love in everything you both do. Happy anniversary.
Wishing a perfectly happy day. May you get many more years of life together to celebrate with your love, getting stronger and stronger with time. Happy marriage anniversary to both of you.
A very happy marriage anniversary to Colonel Pipi Vyas and Hema ma'am. May the God give you the grace to both to fall in love with the same person forever. A very happy marriage anniversary to you both. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Congratulations to the most happiest, loveliest and the most inspiring couple I have ever came across in my life till date. Congratulations on this 31st wedding anniversary. Firstly, big thanks to Mrs. Vyas. Ma'am, you are exemplary. You have always set forward a very positive example of being a good companion in this association. Colonel Vyas sir, there are no words to thank you. You were always there for guiding us, inspiring us in the time of doldrums. I'm really very happy to get connected to the most beautiful couple. You both as a couple has always shared a good vibe and radiated positivity. I'll pray for your bright future ahead. Keep inspiring and keep guiding us. Thank you so much.
Happy anniversary to both of you, sir and ma'am, and a heartfelt gratitude for always being there for us. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Happy anniversary to you both. I always admire you both as a couple, the liveliness you spread around and the positivity which you carry wherever you go. That is really, really inspiring. Stay like this. Keep spreading the positivity. Lots of love. Have a good day ahead. Enjoy. Bye.
Hello, Vyas sir and Hema ma'am. Wishing you a very, very happiest wedding anniversary. Your happy and joyful marriage life is inspiration for all of us. I'm wishing both of you a very happy and a healthy life together ahead.
Hello, sir. We are really blessed that you are our mentors, and looking at you really inspires us to do something for society, for students. So really thank you for being there for us, sir, and ma'am and sir, happy anniversary.
Respected Colonel Vyas sir and Hema ma'am, I wish that you both keep smiling and keep celebrating life to the fullest, just the way that you both have been doing till now. I wish you both a very, very happy anniversary.
People say wedding happens in someone's lives only once, where they knot themselves into the divine bond with their life partners in the wedding pavilion, taking 7 vows. We celebrate this thought of spending the rest of life with someone special every year to cherish the bond. An anniversary reminds us of the growing bond of love, despite hardships and struggles in life. May the love you share become stronger as both of you grow old together. May God shower your life with His blessings and fill your life with beautiful colors. I wish you both lifetime happiness together. Wishing a happy wedding anniversary to Mr. P.P. Vyas and his better half, Mrs. Hema Vyas, on behalf of me and my family.
Happy marriage anniversary, Colonel Vyas sir and Hema ma'am. I wish you a lifetime of happiness together. Thank you.
Namaste, ma'am and sir. Happy anniversary, both of you. Live a long, happy and healthy life. I wish you to celebrate your dream day together of climbing Mount Everest as our oldest man. Thank you.
Namaste, Mummy Papa. Happy anniversary, Maharaj. Khoob pranam damna. It's been about 30 years since you've been married. I hope you have like 100 more to go. Probably more if you can. See you. Enjoy your day.
Anniversary, Colonel Vyas sir and Hema ma'am.
Wish you a very happy anniversary, ma'am.
Wish you a happy marriage anniversary.